Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. So if you're not familiar with my 370 build, I've been doing a lot. I have a lot of parts still coming in. This weekend I'm going to be doing the install of the Whipple supercharger. I do a lot of different random videos here and there. I don't record everything, or I would be able to record and post every day. I'm trying to do more posts than I usually do now that I'm getting closer to graduating. So if you're not familiar with Workshop12, they made a tablet dash kit. So basically you buy a Galaxy 10 Tab A, I think. Link will be in the video description. But basically you upgrade your dash to a tablet. This is the Shapeways kit from them. Just want to make sure there's nothing damaged because it'll be a while before I'm able to install this. But this is how it comes packed. Sorry for the lighting. So you have your climate controls. Then here is the backing for it. And it looks like they just threw it all in here. There's no padding between the two. It looks like there was supposed to be padding between the two that didn't really stay between. But I just want to show you what I got. The actual plan is to eventually go Ecotech tune. So the Whipple supercharger kit comes with an UpRev baseline that I already have an UpRev license. So I just need to find an aftermarket cable to do maybe remote tuning, at least get it running. But once I have the funds available, it's going to be several months before I actually have the funds, because this is not like a planned, really well thought out built plan. I just got things spare the moment, things that I know I needed, but I don't have the money for the Ecotech tune because, I mean, the license $300. The Bluetooth connections like $250, I think. The cable's another $200. The T-map sensor, the 4-way T-map sensor. So I'm looking at like $1,000 or more just to go Ecotech. But I want to do it. I want to go the Bluetooth to the tablet. That way I can have all the gauges, logging. Plus Ecotech is a lot better for boosted cars. I've been talking with the tuner in California, Eugene. Awesome guy, seems like he really knows his stuff. It's just a matter of me finding the funding to do it. I tried getting some sponsorship for it. So far it's fallen through. So if you know anyone interested in sponsoring my car for Ecotech tuning that, I'd do a windshield banner and we can talk things out. I'm willing to work with whoever. But for now, I mean, it's self-funded to do all of this for you guys, for me, just to enjoy my channel. So again, thank you for watching, and I'll try to update you more. It's just the car build is going this coming weekend, but by the time I post more videos of it installed, it's going to be, you know, later in the week of next week at the earliest. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to my channel to follow my build, and over here watch whatever YouTube recommends to you, and take care, and more stuff to come from my car. Bye.